So this is the world's best small stunt helicopter. And in the last video, we broke it. Oh, tumble wumble. So in this video, we're gonna fix it. And then we're gonna take it out for a fly and see if I can do a better job this time. So damage-wise, it probably looks worse than what it is. We've obviously broken the skids. Canopy's got some flakage going on. The blades are done. And this tail blade here's got a bend in it. Other than that, it actually looks okay. I think the boom's okay. So we're going to take it all apart. We're going to fix it. And hopefully, that is the only damage we got. So I went online to buy some spares. And they were out of stock on skids and blades. So I just bought a brand new kit. So we got every single part that we're ever going to need. And it might seem a little bit excessive. But guys, the good thing is that if we ever break it again in future, we're going to have every single part. And, you know, as I start breaking things, I can just replace it in the kit. So we've also always got everything. So we've got the skids, blades. We're going to keep hold of this canopy so we can put it on there to look nice on the shelf. The old one will be the one for beating on. We've got our spare tail blades. And I think that is the only damage. So considering how hard we crashed it, I really don't think that's too bad. And look at that, we've got all the spare electronics in there as well. Do you know what? You could probably take all these parts and sell all the parts that you don't need on eBay and make a profit, and then on top of it, also fix the helicopter for free. I'm probably not going to do that. I'm probably just going to keep everything because we're probably going to need it soon anyway. All right, enough waffling. Let's get wrenching. So I've just noticed a little bit of slop here on the main road ahead. So I'm just going to whip this off, have a little look to see what's going on. I think it's no big deal. There's no slop between this and the head. And it just keys on this bit here. That just keys onto the motor there. So I think it's going to be okay. So a common thing to bend on all RC helicopters is the main shaft, the feathering shaft, and also the tail shaft. So just by eye, I'm just going to turn this round and make sure that it looks straight. If it looks straight, then I'm just going to go ahead and fly it. And if it vibrates in flight, then we're going to look at it otherwise. Some people, they replace these parts after every single little bump. But, you know, we're not in it. It doesn't really matter too much. Just turn this here and, yep, looks straight to me. Main shaft. Looks beautiful. And then to test the straightness of this feathering shaft, you can just stick an Allen driver into the blade grip here. There's an Allen key in there. Turn it, and if the shaft's bent, you'll see this all wobbling around. Now, if you're a professional, you can take out all these shafts and roll them on like a piece of glass or something to see if they're straight. Let's get some new blades on it, and then we can go fly. Boom! There we go. All back in one bit again. Guys, considering this was the only damage, that is very good going. Oh man, that was such an easy fix. Let's go fly. Oh, forgot about this bit. Now we can go fly it. Here we are on location. We've got a new YouTuber in the house. Here's his helicopter. Here's my one. If we break it, we've got all the spares in there. Hopefully it's going to come back in one bit, guys. Oh, and it's setting up. It pitches away out. I've got no zero pitch at mid-stick. Okay, that's miles out.
Horn slipped.
All right, we've got to fix it and then we'll fly it. Mark's just bought himself one of these.
What is that?
All the spares. He was complaining that there's no blades for sale anywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh, we might get rain. I'll leave these spares out because we're going to need them in a minute.
Kev's going to attempt to get a few flights out of his helicopter before he crashes it.
Hey, Mark's fixed it. I'm going to try and get more than like 20 seconds out of it. All right, here we go. Ah! I've lost orientation of it. I didn't know which way round it was. Oh! What happened? What do you think is broken?
I don't know, probably a few bits. I'm going to be busy for 20 minutes.
Are you fixing it again?
Not fixing it.
Have you got a YouTube channel yet?
No.
Alright, well when he does get a YouTube channel, we'll put a link down there. Do you think I need a haircut? There's a haircut in my eyes, I couldn't see what was happening.
Do you think I need one?
Yeah.
Do you want some blades back?
Oh. It might be alright actually, you know.
You're going to be lucky with this.
It's a blade I think, and that's it.
Right, back to the table.
Oh, the boom's gone upside down, look.
Oh my god, yes.
What's the damage mark?
Blades.
Blades. We got
tail push rod.
Got spare blades.
Skids.
We'll leave them for now, they'll still work.
I don't know what else.
There's a push rod. All professional pilots have got their own personal mechanic. That's it, get all that yoo-hoo on there. Is that it? Fixed?
Yeah.
Have a go on. I want to smash it up anyway, so it doesn't matter if you crash it, does it? Break it. Don't care. So I'm not going to fly it again because I'm going to end up smashing it up. So Mark's kindly offered, well he hasn't offered, I kind of forced it on him. You got to give it hell.
Oh.
Fly it like you stole it, just give it absolute hell.
I want to get used to it first.
Alright, we'll get used to it and then give it hell.
You're making me nervous.
You got a free ticket to smash it up. Do what you want with it, I don't care.
I won't break it.
If I fly it, it's broken guaranteed. If you fly it, it might be alright.
You just don't trust my push rod fix, do you, with the super glue?
No, I don't trust me. Go on, crank up the old head speed. There we go. Go on, give it hell. Side TikToks, nice. Cut the grass. Lawnmower, lower. Lower. Get it on the deck. Some of those moves, I don't know what the hell they are, but they look good. Is that it, flat?
No, I think the battery might be a bit low.
Yeah. What do you reckon of it?
I don't know if I'd set the timer. It was awesome. Yours flies better than mine did.
It's because it's got a brain.
Yours don't crash when I fly it.
Hey! You know what? I'm glad you threw it. If I would have flown it, that would have been guaranteed a heap. Nice, well done, mate.
Cheers for that, Kev. That was a pleasure.